Hey Susan. Is that a new dress?
Hi. Yes, it is.
It looks nice. Yellow really suits you.
Thanks.
Dalam dialog pembukaan tadi, apa yang dikatakan oleh Willy? Dia mengatakan, "The dress looks nice. Yellow really suits you." Dan Susan menjawab, "Thanks." Dalam bahasa Indonesia, ungkapan Willy berarti, "Pakaiannya cocok kamu pakai. Warna kuning benar-benar pas untukmu." Dalam hal ini, Willy bermaksud untuk memuji pakaian yang dikenakan Susan. In this dialogue, Willy praises Susan's dress. The sentence, "The dress looks nice. Yellow really suits you," is an example of giving compliment. Dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti memberikan pujian atau penghargaan. Willy memberikan pujian kepada Susan karena pakaiannya yang nampak begitu sesuai untuknya. What do you feel when you receive a compliment? Of course you will feel happy. When you compliment someone or say something good about them, you instantly feel positive, and that person will feel so good. Ketika kita memberikan pujian kepada orang lain, tentu kita yang memberikan pujian akan merasa positif. Kemudian orang yang kita puji pun akan merasa senang. Do you know why people give compliments to others? Compliments are when you say something good or something nice to someone. There are some purposes of why people give compliments. It is usually to appreciate someone. It can be because of the way they look or their appearance, the personality, the achievement, their talent, or because she or he has something new, or it can be because some other reasons. Pujian atau penghargaan yang kita sebut sebagai compliment biasanya dikatakan oleh seseorang kepada orang lain untuk menghargai orang tersebut. Bisa karena penampilannya, karakternya, atau kepribadiannya, bisa karena prestasinya, karena talentanya, karena orang tersebut memiliki sesuatu yang baru, atau karena alasan-alasan yang lain. To make it clearer, now let us see the following dialogue.
Willy, did you get your hair cut?
Yes.
I really like your hairstyle.
That's really kind of you.
Dalam dialog tadi, Susan mengatakan, "I really like your hairstyle." And Willy answer, "That's really kind of you." Dalam bahasa Indonesia, Susan mengatakan, "Aku suka sekali dengan gaya rambutmu." Hal tersebut merupakan contoh giving compliments on physical appearance, memuji seseorang karena penampilan fisiknya. There are some examples of compliments on physical appearance. In the previous dialogue, we can see that Susan said, "I really like your hairstyle. You have the nicest eyes. Matamu sangat bagus. Kamu manis sekali hari ini." Let us see another example of dialogue on giving compliments on others.
Hi, Jane.
Hello, Sally. I watched your performance in television last night. You have an amazing voice.
I'm glad you like it. Thanks.
Dalam dialog tadi, Cecil mengatakan, "You have an amazing voice." Dan temannya menjawab, "I'm glad you like it. Thanks." Dalam bahasa Indonesia, Cecil mengatakan, "Suaramu keren." Dalam hal ini, Cecil memuji penampilan atau kemampuan Jane dalam menyanyi. It is an example of giving compliments on someone's performance. There are some other examples of giving compliments on someone's performance. First, you have an amazing voice. Suaramu keren sekali. You did a great job in the talent show. Kamu keren sekali dalam pertunjukan tadi. You gave the best presentation today. Presentasimu keren. I love the way you dance. Aku suka sekali dengan tarianmu. You dance extremely well. Tarianmu keren sekali. You are so good at sketching. Kamu pintar sekali menggambar. That's a great job. Pekerjaan yang luar biasa. To see another example of compliments, now let us see the next dialogue.
Let's do the homework in my room.
Wow, look at this. You are so organized. How can you keep everything tidy?
Thanks. I just try to make it tidy so I feel more comfortable with all of my stuff.
Dalam dialog tadi, Harry mengatakan, "Wow, look at this. You are so organized. How can you keep everything tidy?" Dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti, "Kamu rapi sekali. Bagaimana bisa kamu menata semuanya dalam keadaan rapi?" Kemudian temannya menjawab, "Thanks. I just try to make it tidy, so I feel more comfortable with all of my stuff." Terima kasih. Aku hanya mencoba membuatnya rapi sehingga aku merasa nyaman dengan semua barang-barangku. Hal itu menyatakan kekaguman Harry terhadap Mike yang punya karakter yang rapi. This is an example of compliments on personal qualities. There are some other examples of compliments on personal qualities. In the previous dialogue you can hear, "You are so organized." Kamu rapi sekali. I appreciate that you are so diligent. Kamu rajin sekali. You are so generous. Kamu baik sekali. You are so hardworking. Kamu pekerja keras sekali. I like how patient you are. Aku senang melihat kesabaranmu. I love how organized you are. Aku suka kamu yang rapi sekali. Now let us see another dialogue of giving compliments.
Welcome to my house. Please come in.
Wow, I love your living room. It is so cozy.
Thanks. My mom chose all the furniture and designed the layout.
Dalam dialog tadi, Patrick datang ke rumah Charles. Kemudian dia mengatakan, "Wow, I love your living room. It is so cozy." Yang berarti, "Aku suka sekali dengan ruang tamu di rumahmu. Nyaman sekali." And then Charles answered, "Thanks. My mom chose all the furniture and designed the layout." Terima kasih. Mamaku yang memilih semua furniturnya dan mendesain layoutnya. Dalam hal ini, Patrick menyatakan kekagumannya terhadap ruang tamu rumah Charles. This is an example of giving compliments on someone's possessions. Menyatakan kekaguman terhadap benda milik orang lain. There are some other examples of giving compliments on someone's possessions. In the previous dialogue you heard, "Your living room is so cozy." That is such a pretty sweater. Sweatermu bagus. Those sunglasses really suit you. Kacamatanya cocok sekali untukmu. This dress looks good on you. The color really suits you. There are some expressions of giving compliment or showing appreciation to others. First, we can use adjectives. We can use positive adjectives when we want to give compliment. Kita bisa menggunakan kata sifat yang positif tentunya. Fantastic, awesome, nice, amazing, perfect, great, nice. Itulah tadi beberapa kata sifat yang bisa kita pakai untuk memuji atau memberikan penghargaan kepada seseorang. The second, we can use the pattern of subject followed by to be or look or looks followed by adjective. For example, you are helpful. You are creative. You can also add very, really, or so yang berarti menyangatkan atau sangat. You are really good at sketching. You are so talented. Your dog is very cute. The pasta is so delicious. You look really nice today. This dress looks good on you. Dari beberapa contoh ini kita bisa melihat selalu diawali dengan subjek, bisa you, the dress, the pasta, or something like that, followed by to be, or look or looks, followed by adjective. Third, we can also use this pattern, subject, followed by to be, followed by adjective, followed by noun. Pola yang ketiga menggunakan subjek, diikuti dengan to be, diikuti dengan kata sifat, dan kemudian kata benda yang kita puji. Ingat, ada 3 to be, am, is, dan are. For example, you can say, you are a talented singer. That is a beautiful necklace. This is such a cool car. The fourth, you can use this pattern. I followed by like or love, followed by noun or noun phrase. Pola yang keempat, kita menggunakan kata I like or I love, kemudian diikuti dengan benda yang kita puji. For example, I like the presentation you gave. I really like your haircut. I really love your homemade chocolate cake. The fifth, we can use the pattern of what a or an, this is optional, followed by adjective, followed by noun or noun phrase. Pola yang kelima, kita bisa menggunakan kata what di awal, diikuti dengan a atau an, atau bisa juga tidak menggunakan a atau an untuk benda yang uncountable, diikuti dengan kata sifat, ditambah dengan kata bendanya. So you can say, what a pretty dress. What a beautiful voice. What a beautiful picture. The sixth, you can use the pattern of how, followed by adjective, followed by subject, followed by to be. Pola yang keenam, kita bisa menggunakan how, ditambah dengan kata sifat, ditambah dengan subject, ditambah dengan to be. For example, how smart you are. How delicious the cake is. How nice you are. Now we will learn the responses of compliment. What will we say when someone gives compliment or appreciation to us? We can simply thank the person by saying thanks, thank you, thank you very much, I'm glad you like it, I appreciate it, that's nice of you. Those are all the materials about giving compliments and the responses. Start saying something nice to others